This morning I did wake up, so I did boss, I did eat my breakfast, so I came to school. So when I came to school, I was late and school didn't begin already. The children was in the class. After it was interval. I was standing against the wall and talking to my friends. Second interval, I was playing a rope with Jeanette. And that's all I did today. And I did some maths in class and technology.
Okay, you have to speak for a minute and you have 30 seconds left.
And
did I come to your class today?
Yes,
so talk about what we did.
Matthew, let us listen to like a story in the radio. It was about Marshall, Dolan, and no, that's not the main characters. And Kitty, and then it was Doc.
Yeah.
And then there was Chester.
Good.
And
that's 1 minute, so I have to cut you off. All right, good job.
No battery.